Hello guys, welcome to LeetCodes. So in our SQL series of LeetCode, we are going to solve this text question whose name is big countries. Okay, so here we have our table world who has columns name, continent, area, population and GDP. Okay, and this name column is a primary key. Fine. And each row of this table gives information about the name of the country, the continent to which it belongs, its area, the population and its GDP value. Fine. Now here the condition is a country is big if it has area of at least 3 million or it has population of at least 25 million. Okay, so here we have this condition that the country is big, it is called big if it has area of at least 3 million or population of at least 25 million. Okay, so we have to write the query to filter out those countries from the table who satisfy either of this condition. Okay, so here we have an example and below is our output. Okay, so let's write the query. Here we have to select. Now as you can see in this output, we have column name, population and area. So we will select area, okay, name, population and area from our table world. Again I am saying that we have to filter out countries, filter out big countries. Okay, so for filtering out I am using the where clause. Now the condition for where clause is a country is big if it has area of at least 3 million. So where area is at least, that is greater than equal to 3 million. Okay, or again here you can see or. Now every time we solve these queries or questions, if you read question properly, your whole answer lies in your question only. Okay, what you have to do is just write syntax. Fine, so here we have or, so I am writing or. Okay, because either of the conditions should satisfy. So where area is greater than equal to 3 million and population should be greater than equal to 25 million. Fine. So this is a query. Let's run it and check. Okay, so here our query is correct and our case is accepted. So here we got our expected output. Let's submit it. So our query is correct. Okay, so do practice this query on your LeetCode, and if you like the video, do subscribe LeetCodes. Okay, thank you.